So I just went and got some new front tires installed. As you can tell, there's no wobble. So if your steering wheel is wobbling while you're driving, first thing you need to do is check your tires, make sure there's no protrusions sticking out or anything that would cause it to wobble. And a lot of the times, if it is the tire, you'll see something obvious. You'll see the tire bulging out in a certain spot, or if it's deflated or something like that. A lot of the times it'll be pretty obvious with tires, so check that first. That's what was happening to me. There's several other issues that could cause your steering wheel to wobble, but in my case it was just my 2 front tires. Got new tires, so now it's a completely smooth ride. Anyways guys, I hope this video helped. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.